Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how we can buy it, how we can purchase it. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply we have to go to this upgrade option. So we have to click on the upgrade, and after clicking on the upgrade, we have to wait a few seconds. So as you can see, the pricing plans are mentioned here. Now we have to scroll down, and after scrolling down, as you can see, different types of packages are here, like the starter, which is on the cost of a starter package is $19, and the professional $39, and the team is $99. You can also increase the qualities and the quantity of the video. As you can see, the video price will be like this. I'm going to increase this, and you can increase this till here, and the plan will be like this. So as you can see, now if you want to buy this, for example, I'm going to buy this one, so we have to click on the buy now, and after clicking on the buy now, as you can see, all the things are here. And after clicking on the buy now, as you can see, this is the yearly payment, so we have to click on the proceed. And after clicking on the proceed, simply we have to provide the payment method. And after providing the payment method, and as you can see, as a process to checkout, so we have to click on the checkout. And after that, simply we have to provide the payment method, and after that you will be able to use this. So in this way you can use it. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can buy the premium of your Pictory. So see you guys in the next video.